Diagnosing server performance issues and your admin handed you PMC counter log files. These contain detailed system metrics over time. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to analyze these Windows Performance Monitor data collections. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party PMC file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. PMC files are performance counter log files created by Windows Performance Monitor. They contain recorded system metrics including CPU utilization, memory usage disk, I/O network throughput, and application-specific counters, sampled at configured intervals for system performance analysis and capacity planning. PMC files are performance counter log files created by Windows Performance Monitor. They contain recorded system metrics including CPU utilization, memory usage disk, I/O network throughput, and application-specific counters, sampled at configured intervals for system performance analysis and capacity planning. For reliable opening, Windows Performance Monitor by Microsoft Corporation offers the best solution for PMC. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows enforces protection because system files are integral to OS stability. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the PMC file and choose Open With. If Windows Performance Monitor is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If the PMC file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this PMC file is failing to load. First, open in Performance Monitor. Launch Windows. Performance Monitor by typing perfmon in the Start menu. Navigate to Monitoring Tools, then Performance Monitor. Click the View Log Data button in the toolbar and browse to the PMC file. Performance Monitor graphs the recorded counter data on the timeline for visual analysis. Next, analyze counter trends. With the PMC data loaded, select specific counters from the available list to display on the graph. Use the time range selector to focus on specific periods of interest. Look for CPU spikes, memory pressure, disk queue, depth anomalies, and network saturation patterns that indicate performance bottlenecks. Finally, export for reporting. Use Performance Monitor's export function to save the counter data to CSV or TSV format for analysis in Excel or other reporting tools. Right-click the log data and select Save Data as with the desired format. Import the exported data into spreadsheet software for custom charts, statistical analysis, and report generation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.